Step 5. Settings. First, power up the heat source and set its temperature. 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit is a typical setting. If you have a smart thermostat, plug in that power supply now. Now, plug in the thermostat connector and turn up thermostats to call for heat. Each active thermostat should show a blue zone light at the top of the board, above the thermostat connector. All pumps should be active, each indicated by a green light getting brighter. Now, let's assign the thermostat zones for each pump by moving the jumper to the correct zone. Each pump has its own section of the control board, labeled 1 through 10. Pump 10 is always to the heat source. The other pumps may be assigned to specific zones by moving the jumper to the pins labeled with that zone number. Now we're going to assign pump speeds. Just below the zone selection is the speed selection for the pump. Assign speeds by moving a jumper to the matching pins. Set pumps as low as possible to keep your house warm. Usually those settings end up as follows. Low. This is adequate for most single loops. Medium. This is for pumps that have splitters with 2 loops. And max. This is for heat sources. Pump 10.